I'm noticing that on RTX, domains tend to work better, so I'm gonna add more domains to my campaigns. Like that's how we usually work at first on creating the campaigns, especially when it's top traffic, direct linking.
So,
we usually create focus on creating a lot of campaigns. Like we have hundreds of campaigns running, so our method, it's more like create a lot of campaigns, like hundreds of campaigns on different pop traffic sources, all of them with first of all direct linking. We use landing pages, but we start direct linking all of our offers. Basically,
gotcha.
all of the offers we start out direct linking, not even a bridge page. Like
because that makes sense. I mean, on pop networks, you're not really going to have a problem, putting direct linking. And of course, it's only when you're actually starting to see conversions from direct linking, that's when you want to go ahead and maybe put your pre-landing page to start adding a little bit more friction in the process. So do you pick up emails at that point, and then you have to, because
once we start receiving leads and we start seeing like, okay, here's something that could be expanded on and worked on, we create different landing pages. Some are like the ones you showed me that are just like an article, basically a bridge page article. But some of them are like put your email, get a free something, get a free ebook, or like a training or a video explaining something, and then you email market them all of the offers related to what you were offering on that.
So it's a lead magnet. So it's a lead magnet. The gotcha
we don't focus on that from the beginning. On the beginning, it's just create massive amount of campaigns. Like I'm talking about 10 daily, right? Doesn't matter the niche. Few focused keywords, unless you're working like with a self-advertiser. In that case, you gotta go a little broader. But we usually start our campaigns with maybe 10, 15 at most beginning, 20 keywords on our campaigns that are really focused on what we're offering, right? And the bids, we start bidding at minimum. Basically.
At the minimum, I heard that from your dad. So
we're not really trying to get competitive at first. Like we're trying to reach a massive amount of traffic through the amount of campaigns we're creating and the keywords we're adding to those campaigns. But we're not really trying to go competitive at first. We're first trying to like cover a lot of ground, and once we start noticing pops, like okay, here's a lead, okay, we're noticing leads for this type of niche on Odd Bytes and this type of niche on RTX platform. So we're gonna focus on opening more campaigns about that niche here and about this niche here. These are the keywords that are working on this platform. Okay, I'm noticing that on RTX, domains tend to work better, so I'm gonna add more domains to my campaigns. Like that's how we usually work at first on creating the campaigns, especially when it's top traffic.
Bueno, ese ha sido el video por hoy. Si sientes que le pudiste sacar provecho, por favor presiona el like y considera suscribirte a mi canal para que no te pierdas ninguno de los videos que voy a estar subiendo en el futuro. Si te interesa adquirir alguno de mis paquetes de asesoría u optimizaciones personalizadas, puedes visitar a adrielaviles.com, donde puedes ver un poco más de información sobre mi servicio, además de algunos testimoniales de personas que lo han adquirido. Aparte de eso, este 2023 le he comenzado a enviar a mi lista de emails redacciones de todos mis videos junto con tips exclusivos que no encontrarás en ninguna otra parte. Así que si todavía no eres parte de mi lista, asegúrate de unirte a ella para que estés al día sobre todo lo que estoy haciendo en camino hacia el éxito y la actualización personal. Avancemos juntos hacia nuestros objetivos. adrielaviles.com/email lista.